How to use Upper Computer software to monitor the battery. Download the software package from the following website. Extract the files. Click USB drive to install. Use RS485 to USB cable to connect the battery and computer. Open the files. Click ESUP v1.22 to launch. Select the corresponding QM and baud rate in the upper right corner. Click Read to obtain BMS data. Monitor page, parallel page, parameter page, config page, module page, history page, debug page, calibration page. Read and adjust the battery communication protocol in the bottom right corner of the monitor page. Now you can monitor the battery status in real time.